Malapit na ba yung birthday mo?
Opo.
Abay, matagal pa birthday mo. Oh, anong gusto mo sa birthday mo?
Present.
Present. Ano pa?
Dami present.
Ano pa?
And to decorate in your room.
De-decorate yung room? Tapos?
And to you bigay at this person, you cover at his eyes.
Iko-cover pa yung eyes? Bakit naman iko-cover pa yung eyes?
How to blow in a cake.
Aba, you want cake pa?
Blow ako cake, mommy.
Ang dami mo namang gusto.
Yay!
Ano bang gusto mo?
To go.
You to go. Uy, ang dami mo namang gusto. Wala tayong money.
Meron.
Wala na nga tayong money. Paano yan? Paano pag walang cake? Sit down, I'm talking. Paano kung walang cake and walang balloons and walang present? Okay lang ba? Okay lang? Kahit walang present and balloons and cake? Basta healthy?
Mommy, you
Ha?
bake.
You talk to me. Basta healthy si ate, okay lang kahit walang gifts?
Mommy, huwag ikaw cellphone.
Bakit? I'm talking to you nga. I'm recording.
Mommy,
Dali na.
Mommy.
Oh.
You see si ate play.
Ano?
Si ate play. Play tayo.
Play na tayo? Okay.